Hi everybody. I'm going to do a quick order, and I don't have anything to order because I already placed my order this morning, but I'm going to do a quick order to help walk you through the new website. I have not used it, so it's me and you together here, but I'm going to show you a couple of the features that I do know about, and this is just enough to get you going through. So the new shopping website. So if you go to my website normally, it's cheri.stampinup.net. This takes you to our overall general website. So you can go here, just the same one, the code that I've always given you, the link, that one works, and then you can hit shop now. So when you go to shop now, you should see up here in this corner right here, see this? It should say shopping with me. So my name will be there. So the only good thing that I know about going here is if you want to join my team. If you go to join, then it's going to open up I'm pointing like you can see. It's going to open up this page here. And you'll see me and my daughter and some of my friends. So that will be here. And then on the join now page, when you go down and hit join now, it comes up and it's still me. So all of this is because it's on our overall website, and I have had a new team member join today. Yay! So I haven't had time to do anything about it because I've been so busy. But if you go over here, so this is the new store. Oops, no, this is the link that I've given you today, and if you hit the link that's not my website, just the store, they're two different links. But you always just want to make sure this is right here. The only thing that's different over here is if you want to join, and then when you hit join, it takes you out and you'd have to find me again. And you know, if my name was Cheri Smith, well, not even, because my name Cheri isn't spelled easily, then you just have to look up. So you'd have to have my name to join my team. So if you do that, if you want to join, then just do it from my main website and not from the store, because when you're in the store, you're not shopping. I mean, when you're signing up, you're not really shopping. So just consider that you want to do it from my store. So let's go back over here. Let me close all these things because I don't need to sign up. Close this one. And so then here's the new store. So you can see these little things up here. Again, just make sure as long as my name is here when you start, and go ahead and sign in. Let me sign in. And see if it saved it. It did. They had said that they didn't know that they would all save because of it being a new system. Now my cats are fighting. But mine has saved. So yours may save, it may not have saved. If you have any issues when you're working on this, then just switch browsers and then you can try it. I think I'm on Chrome, so Chrome's working. Safari should be working. I've heard there's some issues with Firefox. So if you find out that your site's not loading or something, just switch browsers and see if that helps. Eventually all of the browsers will get caught up on it. But right now it's just because it's a new site. So we have shop products over here. So you can click on that. You can just go to this catalog, which is the one that launched today. So if you hit that, then it's going to give you this. Oh, and there's no images. There were images on that. Oh, there we go. Nope. It could just be too that it's busy because yeah, and it could be my internet. So if you do this way, you can go through and just shop the stuff that's in here. It will tell you if you are getting something that's bundled, that you're saving money, because if you buy a stamp and a set, or a stamp and a punch, or a stamp set and a die that's bundled. I have this one coming today, or I should have saved that and ordered it on this. I don't have this one yet, and I don't have this one yet. I just gotta find something to buy. So let's get the leaves. So let's add these to the cart. And then you can also add it to a list, and it will come back later as long as you're logged in, and it will remember it. So you can create a new list. So let's create a purchased list. That way you can always log back in and see what you've bought recently. You can see down here it's got all of the information about everything, so it's pretty much as the catalog, and then it does have lots of pictures. So we have some bigger and brighter pictures than we've had sometimes in the past. Over here on the What's New page, we have new arrivals. Let's see that. I don't know, when you're in the brand new catalog. Oh, so it's everything that was new in the annual catalog. Let's see if I need any of this. I have, oh, it's got both catalogs new. So like if you look at the coffee cups, it tells you all of the dimensions. It will hold it up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It tells you how tall they are, 3.5 inches high and 2.25 round. So you get that on here. And then up here you can see that it's got, you can shop just by paper and packaging. So I just recorded a video using the coffee cup carriers. Oops, I'm not on the packaging anymore. Oh yeah, I am. So let's just do, because I'm on paper and packaging, let's go just to packaging. So that way if you're looking for something, and let's get some more of the coffee carriers. Let's add those to my cart. And then I could also add those to my list if I wanted to know that I've purchased them. Let's go back over here. I should have got one of my coupon codes out for you. I'll probably use these at camp. So let's get some more of those. And then let's check out. So here on the checkout screen, it has, oh, I know, I did want some ribbon. Let's see, it's suggesting some things down here to me. I need one of the ribbons. I also need some tulle, because you know me and some tulle. So if you want to search right here, let me look up the number for the ribbons that I want. Because if you have a list, like if you've written everything down, because you know right now my links aren't working. I could be doing my links instead of doing this for y'all. But I want the basket weave and metallic ribbon. So it is 153553. Oh. And then I can add that to the cart. Then I can also get some more tulle ribbon because I need to dye some more because y'all sucked that up from me as your free gift this month. So there's the tulle ribbon. So you can search it by the name if you know the name of it, or by the item number if you've written that down. So now let's go look at the cart. So here's everything in my cart. Let's do, I have a host code, and it's this month's host code. I had to write it down because I don't have any of my other windows open up here. Normally I just copy and paste, so do that too. But it's 24BXGB22, and hit apply. If you have any of the $5 bonus bucks from last month, then you can put them in here. You can enter them all, but you'd have to enter them one and then hit plus and hit another one. In the past, I think we copied and pasted them, but for this, you can have, I think that I've heard people say that you have to hit the plus for everyone. So let's check out. So here's my address, my shipping. I don't know which one of these cards because I always just do I don't even have a cart because I hardly ever shop on my own website. So let me find a thing. Let's do okay, and then down here you're gonna, after you've put in your payment information, you're gonna be down here and you will see where it verifies again that I am your demonstrator and that you're shopping with me and that you're using this host code. And then if you click this, most of you are already on my email list, but if you're not and you want to be, click that and then I'll get it. and then just submit that, and then you have your little order confirmation. There are a couple of things that I've heard people say. One, if you're paying by Discover card, it still is saying that you're paying by, I think Visa is popping up there. It doesn't. It's just the wrong little symbol there is in there right now. If you're using it on a mobile phone, then sometimes it's hard. You know, I have an Apple. So sometimes on Apple, this little screen down here disappears. So you have to touch it with your finger to get it back to see the demonstrator that you have shopped with. Or you can turn it landscape, and that should help. Then you can also download a receipt, which I've heard these are being a little bit funky today. Oh, mine's not. They must have fixed that. So you can download this. I would just save it as a PDF. And that way you don't have to print it. So save that. And it's all done. So there you go. That's easy peasy. If you have any questions while you're shopping, then just let me know. And remember, now I'm getting texts. Remember that now through the 8th, the 4th through the 8th of August, there are some additional catalog kickoff specials. And then by using that host code, you're going to get some freebies. So that's what I have for you today. Everybody have a great day. And if you need any help at all, just let me know. Bye.